up, let's go to baseball bats. Let's stay with Easton. Like I said, Easton is probably the greatest selling bat as far as use wise. They sell the most. Let's go for some expensive bats. Oh, I already plugged this in. Let's go 500 to 1,000, and let's go to solds, and let's see where the big money is for the big bats. Now this one on the top is brand new, and you can see it's a senior bat. It's 2 5/8. That's this one right here. The 2 5/8 is the barrel size. 2 5/8 is the larger size. So that's a brand new bat, but still, guys, like $270 or $750. That is a DeMarini bat. The next one down is I've sold one of these before. Picked one of these up for about $6. This is a Z-Core. He calls it a monster barrel, and it sold for $6.99 plus $17.30 shipping. And notice that, you know, that's about the right price for shipping. You know, the box is $4, the shipping's $10 to $12. Every once in a while, I'll lower the price of the shipping and raise the price of the bat a little bit, but that is the go-to price for shipping of a bat. This guy is getting a little less, but again, he is asking $800. Let's take a closer look at this bat. So just do we see that this isn't a perfect bat? It's got some rub marks on it. It probably could be cleaned up. However, he didn't do that. Okay, let's go through some more. It's got a long shot. Let me open this up. The long shot standing up. You know, as you can tell, look at the grip. You know, it's a $700 bat. Look at the grip. Okay, so that just goes to show you that doesn't have to be perfect. Now here's the end cap that I was explaining to you guys. You always want to make sure that the end cap is in place, and I thought that was a crack, but that's just kind of a cut. So definitely want to make sure that that's in place. This is the other end of the bat. A lot of times this will have the weight and length of the bat. In this case, it's got the serial number. And you know, I mentioned before, look up the serial number. I actually made a mistake. You actually want to look up the model number. So as you can see, if we pinch and get close here, here's the model number right here, MDL BZ2-K. That would be the number that you would look up. And again, look at the length, 34. Look at the weight, 29. 2 3/4. That's a large barrel. They call it a max barrel. And, you know, well, they call it actually a monster barrel. So this is a gigantic bat at $800. All right, probably took a best offer, probably $750 realistically, you know. But anyways, as you can see, man, there is some serious cash in some bats. Definitely don't walk by these things if you have a chance and you see these things out in the wild, or if you want to do a little bit of arbitrage, you know, you can put this on your watch list, and you can nab these, you know, for someone that doesn't really know what they're worth. You know, you might be able to pick one up for 50, 60 bucks, maybe $100, and flip these things around, you know, as long as you can kind of verify that these are in good shape. So, okay, with that said, I'm going to let you go. I wish nothing but the best to everybody's picking, and please increase your picking IQ daily. This is how I do it, and this is how you should do it as well.